case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit heard an important case in 1999, Sana vs. Hawaiian Cruises Limited. Centering on the maritime law concept, the case dictated that a shipowner has the duty to provide maintenance and cure, including medical care and expenses until recovery, to a crew member injured or sick on duty. Peter Sana, a seaman on a whale-watching vessel, found himself entangled in this matter when he fell into a coma after developing viral encephalitis following a head injury issued at work. Sana looked to Hawaiian Cruises, his employer, to provide maintenance and cure as per the law, but was surprisingly refused. Defending his rights, he filed a lawsuit claiming maintenance and cure in addition to damages for negligence and unseaworthiness. Regrettably, the lower court did not rule in Sana's favor. They shut down his claims, permitted Hawaiian Cruises to limit its liability, and ruled out the inclusion of the Rutherford Report, an essential compilation of his co-workers' testimonies to the incident. Displeased with the decision, Sana appealed, insisting on the lower court's misjudgments in refusing his claims, excluding the report, and allowing Hawaiian Cruises to limit its liability. Upon review, the court concluded a retrial was warranted. The Rutherford Report, initially excluded, proved to be a significant factor affecting Sana's case. This judgment contradicted the prior ruling, thereby allowing Hawaiian Cruises to amend its response.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.